The 9-patch quilt block is one of the most beloved patterns in quilting, and for good reason. This classic design consists of 9 squares of fabric sewn together to form a larger square, making it an ideal starting point for beginners while offering endless creative possibilities for experienced quilters. Choose between scrappy or non-scrappy looks with the charmed Dutch 9-patch, a versatile design offering clear guides for 3 distinct fabric options. With layout counts included for baby, twin, and queen sizes, this adaptable project makes it incredibly easy to customize your next stitching adventure. Shake up tradition with the Crazy 9-patch, a fun, modern layout featuring wonky blocks that deliver a dramatic visual pop. By stacking and slicing your fabric layers with random diagonal cuts, you can easily create an energetic, complex look using a surprisingly simple technique. Combine 2 timeless favorites with the Colina quilt, a sweet baby throw that beautifully alternates classic 9-patch and snowball blocks. This beginner-friendly tutorial is the absolute perfect project for utilizing brightly colored charm packs or scraps to create a heartwarming gender reveal gift. Discover a patriotic twist on a beloved favorite with this unique version of the disappearing 9-patch. This clever tutorial unlocks the endless, versatile possibilities of slicing and rearranging blocks, allowing you to easily add a beautiful, high-impact design to your collection. Combine a striking zigzag layout with a classic block in the patchwork chevron quilt, a festive design that is both quick to make and highly eye-catching. Using straightforward half-square triangle techniques, this fabulous tutorial is a fantastic, fast-sewing project to add directly to your to-make list. Deliver an intergalactic aesthetic with this black and white hourglass block, a beginner-friendly design that makes standard geometric shapes truly stand out. Instead of difficult angled piecework, this clever 9-patch pattern relies entirely on smart color placement to create its striking optical illusion. Celebrate a literal rainbow of color with batik patches, a 41 by 55-inch lap quilt that dynamically mixes 9-patch and 25-patch blocks. This vibrant layout invites you to combine a wide array of beautiful batik fabrics for a deeply textured, cheerful, and cozy feel. These free 9-patch quilt patterns demonstrate the incredible versatility of this classic block. The beauty of these patterns lies not just in their visual appeal, but in their accessibility and the creative freedom they provide for personal expression through fabric choice and color placement. Looking for more 9-patch quilt patterns to spark your creativity? Explore endless quilting inspiration today at ilovequiltingforever.com